In today's video, I'm going to teach you the complete guide on how to use Trello for task management. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with organizing your personal projects, Trello is a fantastic tool to streamline your tasks and collaborate effectively. So let's dive straight into how you can set up and manage tasks using Trello. First things first, head over to Trello.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the website, you'll want to look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will lead you to the login screen, where you have the option to sign in using your email or connect directly via your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From here, navigate to Boards. This is the main workspace where you'll be able to organize your projects. To start organizing, you'll want to create a new board. Click on Create New Board, which will prompt you to enter a name for your board. Choose something that clearly represents the project you're working on. After naming your board, simply click on Create. Now that you have a board set up, it's time to add some structure by using lists. Lists in Trello act as stages or categories for your tasks. To get started, create a list by entering a name for it. This might be something like To Do, In Progress, or Done. Click Add List to finalize adding your list. With your lists in place, let's move on to adding cards. Cards represent individual tasks or work items within your lists. Click Add a Card, then name your card, giving each one a specific title that sums up the task succinctly. Once you've named your card, click on Add Card to insert it into your list. Click on your card to open up a detailed view where you can add more specific information. Adding a description can be very useful to provide context or additional details necessary for the task. Remember to hit Save once you've entered your description. Trello also allows you to organize your cards even further using labels and checklists. By clicking on labels, you can assign different colors to categorize your tasks visually, perhaps by priority or team member. Don't forget to click the edit icon if you need to change label names or colors. For tasks that require breaking down into smaller steps, utilize the checklist feature. Create a checklist and add related tasks within, clicking Add to expand your list of subtasks. Each checklist task can be checked off as it's completed, which is a handy way to track progress. Finally, stay on top of deadlines by utilizing the Dates feature. Here you can set a due date for your tasks, providing a clear timeline for completion. Again, ensure you click Save after setting these parameters to lock in your changes, and there you have it, a foundational walkthrough of how to use Trello to manage your tasks. With these basics, you're well equipped to start organizing your projects effectively using Trello's versatile tools. Happy organizing!